Alright guys, I'm back with another video. It's King George. And subscribe, leave a like, and leave a comment below. And this is my beautiful quad right here. I got my Ford. I got my 100,000 crawler. I got my old day Mustang. Next video we'll show you how to find it. We got our trailer. We got a red trailer. We got our Cybertruck, and it pretty took a long time to buy it, and we're gonna start our storage. And I got my Chevy Silverado, and I got my Razor, and I got my Jeep that's meant for off-roading. And this truck has front and back dually tires, and we're gonna move that out, and then we're gonna get this one, we're gonna put it on that. Alright, the first thing you want to do is, and in the video I'm gonna be the fastest way to make bank, but it's not finding the crates, so you guys don't have to find the crates. So you'll be doing play, multiplayer, free roam, custom maps, and as you see, I got it as my favorite, and it's called that. I'll give you some time so you can know how to search it. And we're gonna press play, and you will see that we'll get 2,000 money and 20 gold. And yeah, so let's get to it. And 40 XP. I don't even know what's XP for. So leave a comment below if do you know what's XP for, and subscribe. So yeah. So yeah, so yeah, I got a lot of vehicles. And next video, we will actually show you how to find this car, and it will cost 500 gold. So you can do this to get 500 gold, and all the parts are called 500 gold. And yeah. Alright guys, that's the end of the video. That was just to show you the fastest way to make bank. And yeah, subscribe, and yeah, leave a comment below, and see you next time.